squad, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I've got a little box here. This isn't going to be a super long swatching video, but I do not have a lot of these colors. I actually was looking for some black, and I like the Model ones. So, and I've already had their black, and I really like it. So I thought I'd just pick that up, and then I noticed that they had this little kit. And it's like a little 6-pack. And so, ooh, that was loud. So I thought we would just check that out. It comes with a little instruction booklet as per the usual. It looks like it's got lots of different languages. So there you go. It also comes with this little card. And when I went to the website, it's not a secure website, and it asks for a lot of information from you. So on that, not doing it. I will say, no matter how much I love a product, I will not sugarcoat a company or their practices for any reason whatsoever. So if I think something is shady, I'm always going to call it out, and that seemed kind of shady to me. So I'm going to go ahead and pop these out. They come out pretty easy. And there's a lot of glitter here, so we're going to have a glittery good time. And I actually thought that this one was just plain white, but when you look, here, let me get back up under here better. When you look at it, maybe it's not. So we have seen Model 1's black on the channel many, many times, you guys. So I'm not going to swatch this one just because it's not necessary. You've seen me do it a million times. But these other ones, we have not seen these on the channel. So I'm super excited to check them out. Let's start with the white one. I'm going to go ahead and give it a little smack. Oh, maybe it is pure white. Look at that, you guys. Let's go ahead and give it a quick swatch because I have never used Model 1's white. I've been trying to use gloves more. A, because it's good for my skin, and B, because it's not good to get gel on your skin frequently. And I've been getting it on there too much. And then also when I spray alcohol, it dries my hands, and my hands have really been going through it. Okay, this is very thick and pretty, but if you're not careful, there's some shadowing in there. So you want to apply that really nice and also let it self-level, and that seems to take care of some of that. It also helps to make sure that I do a better job polishing the entire nail. How about that? Okay, I'm going to pop that in the lamp. And you see what I'm talking about? This is what I mean. I'm always touching myself with the gel, and that can cause allergies and eczema problems, and I have enough problems as it is. So let's just not do that. Okay, let's go ahead and go in. Let's see, could I find a number on this? By the way, these are 10 ml bottles. Looks like this might be the number right here. Yep, Model 1s. Okay, let's go ahead and give it a little shake. Okay, wow, guys, wow. Wowzy, wowzy, woo-woo, that is pretty. I see gold tips in our future. I think this would be a pretty gold French. I think if you did it, like if you really splayed the brush out, you might be able to just put this as a topper, but it's very opaque in one coat. Wow, that is super pretty. I like it. Okay, this one is definitely, looks like it's more of a glitter gel. Oh yeah, this would make a really pretty topper, 100%. I would assume you can build it up to a little bit more opacity, but this is definitely more along the lines of a topper or, you know, like if you wanted to do some sort of gold flake embedded in something, that would be pretty. Come on, buddy. Jake. Oh, is he crying for the neighbors? Crazy. Okay, so this one looks like it is silver. Oh, and it's silver like that first gold. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. I don't have anything like this in the collection. I mean, I've got that cream gel silver, but it does look similar, but it's really more for art, and it's hard to do a beautiful coat like that. And I believe this is a black glitter. Oh, no, it's not. It's like a bronzy glitter. I mean, there's definite, no, it's gorgeous. Oh, I have a brown that this is gonna look gorgeous on top of. Oh, that is so pretty. Let's go ahead and pop these in the lamp, and then we will do a second coat. Okay, guys, these are the 5 new Modelones gel polishes that we have in our collection. We got 6, but it's because we needed the black and I needed a white, and I was looking for, you know, like when they have those little combos or whatever for $5 or $6 where you can get 2 polishes. They didn't have that, but they did have this 6-pack, and I do want to say it was like $13 or $14. But that doesn't mean when you go look this up that that's how much it's going to cost. So if it's a different price, whether it's higher or lower, I don't control Amazon, and that's where I bought this. So guys, I love this kit. I will link it for you down below so that if you're interested in it, you can grab it. Because I have to tell you, these are just going to become staple colors in the collection. These are gorgeous. I'm so thrilled that I got this. I love how they all work. My only complaint is on their color polishes in these bottles. I don't find the same issue with these. They are so thick, and honestly, they could thin these out the tiniest bit, and it would not be upsetting if they had more of a consistency. Like these are also that thickness. All these are all thick, but these two are not, and that's because they're more of a clear gel with glitter in them. And if there was a happy medium between that, it would be a lot better. But having said that, I love Modelones polishes. They always stand up really well for me. They work really well. They're just good. So if you needed some new glitter in your life, here is a set you can try. All right, guys, thanks a lot for watching. Make sure you click all my buttons down below. Ring the bell, make the red button gray. Click that like button and leave me a comment, because all of that makes YouTube think I'm important. Mwah. Bye, guys.